Forget about luck. It's not about waiting for something to magically happen. The real power lies within you. What you say and believe shapes your reality. Repeating the right words every day can change your life and align you with the abundance and success you deserve. In this video, we will share a powerful practice that activates the law of attraction and helps you manifest your desires effortlessly. Get ready to shift your mindset and transform your life by repeating these words daily. Words are more than just sounds. They are vibrations that carry energy. The law of attraction teaches us that like attracts like, meaning the energy you emit through your thoughts and words will attract similar energy back to you. When you speak positive, affirming words every day, you send out a vibration that attracts those very things into your life. Think about it. When you constantly speak of success, abundance, and joy, you are aligning yourself with these positive qualities. The more you affirm what you want, the more you begin to see it manifest in your reality. This simple daily habit can lead to profound changes in your life. By consistently repeating the right words, you are programming your mind to expect the best and actively attract it. Did you know that your subconscious mind plays a crucial role in the law of attraction? It's responsible for shaping your beliefs, thoughts, and actions, and it reacts to what you tell it. When you repeat affirmations like, "I am deserving of success," or "abundance flows to me effortlessly," you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe that you are worthy of these blessings. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between positive and negative thoughts. It accepts everything you say to it as truth. That's why speaking positive words every day is so powerful. It helps shift your internal programming, changing your beliefs from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence. This shift in thinking is key to manifesting your desires. The key to success with affirmations is consistency. If you want to truly harness the power of the law of attraction, you must make repeating these words a daily habit. Set aside a few minutes every morning to speak your affirmations and let them sink deeply into your subconscious. Whether you say them out loud, write them down, or think them in your mind, the repetition is what reinforces the energy of these words. Start with just a few affirmations that resonate with you. For example, "I am worthy of abundance." "Success is my natural state." Or, "I attract all good things into my life." Over time, as you continue this practice, you'll notice that your energy shifts. You'll feel more positive, confident, and open to the opportunities that come your way. One of the most powerful things affirmations can do is shift your mindset. Most people are conditioned to think in terms of lack, focusing on what they don't have. The law of attraction works when you shift your focus to abundance and when you speak words that affirm you already have everything you need. By repeating positive affirmations every day, you begin to retrain your brain to focus on what's possible rather than what's missing. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't afford that," say, "Abundance flows to me in all forms, and I am open to receiving it." This simple change in language has the power to shift your entire perspective, and with that shift, your reality begins to change as well. Affirmations alone are not enough to manifest your desires. You must also align your actions with the energy you are creating through your words. When you speak words of abundance, success, or health, make sure your actions support those affirmations. If you say, "I am worthy of success," take steps every day that align with that belief, whether it's through learning, networking, or taking opportunities that come your way. Your actions should be the natural extension of the energy you create through your words. When your thoughts, words, and actions are in alignment, the universe responds by bringing you the opportunities and circumstances that support your desires. Affirmations are a tool to align your inner world with your outer reality. And by taking inspired action, you amplify the power of those words. It's natural to experience doubt from time to time. When we first start using affirmations, it can feel uncomfortable or even hard to believe. This is a normal part of the process. The more you commit to speaking positive words every day, the more the doubts will diminish. Consistency is key. When negative thoughts arise, don't engage with them, simply replace them with your affirmations. For example, if you think, "This will never work for me," counteract that with, "I am worthy of success, and I am attracting opportunities every day." Over time, as you consistently choose your affirmations over negative thoughts, you'll notice that your confidence and belief in your own power will grow. The doubts will fade, and the manifestations will follow. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in the law of attraction. When you express gratitude for the things you already have, you create a positive vibration that attracts even more blessings. By incorporating gratitude into your daily affirmation practice, you strengthen your connection to the abundant energy of the universe. For example, when you say, "I am grateful for the success I am attracting," you are not only affirming your success, but also appreciating it before it even arrives. Gratitude opens the door to more abundance as it shifts your focus to the present moment and reminds you of all the blessings already in your life. This positive energy amplifies your affirmations and accelerates the manifestation process. While general affirmations like "I am worthy of abundance" are powerful, you can also tailor your affirmations to specific goals. If you have a particular goal in mind, whether it's related to wealth, health, or relationships, customize your affirmations to match that intention. For example, if you're looking to manifest financial abundance, say, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for financial opportunities." If your goal is better health, affirm, "My body is healthy, strong, and full of energy." By aligning your words with your specific desires, you create a direct path toward your goals, and you begin to see results more quickly. The energy you radiate is what you attract. By repeating positive affirmations daily, you are creating a magnetic field of positivity that attracts similar energy into your life. This positive energy affects everything around you, from your relationships to your career to your personal well-being. The more you speak words of abundance, the stronger this energy field becomes, drawing opportunities, success, and happiness to you. You may start noticing that people respond to you more positively. Opportunities come your way more often, and even your overall mood improves. This is the law of attraction in action. Your words have the power to shift your energy and, in turn, your entire reality. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires consistency, patience, and dedication. The more committed you are to your affirmation practice, the quicker you'll see results. It's important to stay focused and positive even when things don't seem to change right away. Trust the process and have faith that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you everything you desire. You are the creator of your reality, and the more you focus on your positive affirmations, the more the universe aligns with your energy. Now you know the secret. Speaking positive words every day can change your reality. By aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with your desires, you activate the law of attraction and draw abundance into your life. Start today, commit to your affirmation practice, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more tips for manifesting your dreams and creating the life you deserve.